felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Hello friends, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today's video will be an ultimate clean with me. This is part 2 of my kitchen deep clean. I'll be using the checklist I used in the last video, which was created by my friend here on YouTube, Jenny, from Cleaning Therapy. I hope today's video motivates you to deep clean your kitchen or a space in your home and to sign up for the Clean Your Way to Calm Challenge. I will have all of Jenny's info linked in the description box below. Thank you to all of my subscribers. It really means a lot that you are taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy today's video.
Back to your own life, not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
I absolutely love this Bissel steam shot. It is amazing. It does the best job. My trash can is so shiny. I'm sure it is the cleanest one in my entire neighborhood, or maybe my entire county for all that. I don't even know, but it is super clean, and it is all thanks to having that extra tool. Now, I also did use a Brillo pad to take off the rust stains that were on the top. So I'm really happy with how that came out, but the Bissel steam shot didn't really take those things off of there, but the Brillo pad really worked well. So all those products will be linked in the description box below.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't.
Guys, I tried to film the cleaning of the tops of the cabinets as best that I could. I seriously probably should not have done that. It was very hard to maneuver getting up there. It was very dusty. There were a lot of cobwebs, but I managed to get it all nice and cleaned. But I'm sorry that I could not put the camera up there to show you guys. Now I'm filling up the sink with my favorite cleaner, Odoban. I learned about this cleaner working in preschools. It is an odor eliminator. It has a very unique smell, but I have just grown to really like it. I feel like everything is nicely disinfected and clean when I use it. I will have it linked down below, so make sure to go and check it out.
You're undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Now that I'm getting everything all nice and deep cleaned, I wanted to let you all know that the checklist does say to declutter and clean out the insides of the cabinets and the pantry. I did these things right before Thanksgiving, so I didn't need to do those again at this time. If you guys decide to join the challenge, you can definitely use the checklist as a guide, and you can tailor it to fit your space and your needs. So you'll see me at the end of the video where I check off what applies and what I've gotten done and everything that I needed to do to my kitchen today.
You're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
I did decide to clean out the utensils drawer. It is one of those spaces that I don't know how it gets like crumbs and dirty, but it does. Do you guys have that same problem? But this was one space that I did want to get inside and really give it a nice deep clean.
You're coming back, yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact, yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your.
This is another product that I really love to use around my house. It is the Bissel Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner that also has this really nice upholstery attachment. I needed to give these chairs a really nice deep clean because with 3 boys, they definitely don't stay the cleanest. I will say this is more of an investment, but I will try to find the best deal and link it down below. You can see the water and just how much dirt got pulled just from those 3 chairs alone.
You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
All right, guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and go and check out Jenny's channel as well, Cleaning Therapy, and join us on her Clean Your Way to Calm Challenge. I hope you guys have a great day. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Now till the morning light, before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I'm this, but you're just